Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Windows 11 using settings and Windows Update, full guide step by step clearly. To update Microsoft Windows 11 using settings and Windows Update, begin by clicking on the Start menu. From the Start menu, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, locate and click on the Windows Update tab on the left side. Once in the Windows Update section, look for the Check for Updates button. Click on Check for Updates to initiate the search for available updates. Windows will now automatically search for any updates that need to be installed. If updates are found, they will appear on your screen. Review the list of available updates to see what is being offered. Click on the Download button to start downloading the updates. After the download completes, click the Install button to begin the installation process. You may need to restart your computer to apply some updates. If prompted, choose to restart your PC immediately or schedule a restart for later. Once your computer restarts, Windows will finalize the installation of the updates. After your PC boots up, return to the Windows Update section in Settings. Here, confirm that your device is up to date. If everything is up to date, you will see a message indicating that your device is up to date. If additional updates are needed, repeat the process by clicking Check for Updates again. This is how you can easily update Microsoft Windows 11 through Settings and Windows Update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.